Ini akhir cerita, kita harus berpisah. Semua masih teringat, mencari semua makna yang hilang semenjak kau pergi, tinggalkanku di sini. What if I told you so? Would you have let me go? 'Cause I'm still running to you. Jangan kau berhenti, semua belum berakhir. Walau jatuh air mataku, tetaplah di sini. Jangan kau pergi. What if I told you so? Would you have let me go? 'Cause I'm still running to you. What if I let you go? Then would you miss me so? The way that I need you now. See, I'm not here to blame, but you act as if it's just a game. Such a shame, 'cause I just can't let go. What if I told you so? Then would you miss me so? 'Cause I'm still dying. What if I don't let go? Would you be coming home? And we'd be flying. I fall in pieces when you loved me. I fell in pieces when you left me. Scattered heart, you left me dying in pieces since you left me.